Get back here.
Amazing, great job of blocking that offensive line.
Stay back.
Jacob
Don't leave.
Richard really had an excellent block right there. You see, that was a huge run for Edwards for that offense.
Yeah, Edwards, the only FBS offer was Ball State. He's increased his size, his speed. He's made himself a pretty good football player, and he's young, just a sophomore.
And now they put Banks, Horatio Banks, back in the game in the backfield.
Pete Limbo wants a timeout.
Timeout.
So Ball State will take a timeout. You see Coach Limbo and the red jacket there
Come on.
talking to his troops. Just his
Hey.
second season as the head coach at Ball State, looking for win number 10.
Here.
But they're in a bind, down 14.
Go away.
Little ones, come out and play. Off with your shoes. Run free. Use your outside voices. Go. Build your monuments. Unearth your treasures. For you are explorers, and youth is not to be squandered.
Visit stclearwater.com.